Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I'm here today. It's Friday. Yesterday, there were some things that I did. I had some time, so I did timing yesterday. I didn't have the timing light or anything like that. I tried to go to O'Reilly to rent the timing light, but they didn't have any. So I did the best I can using my ear just to time it. So, and since I'm on the roll today, I am going to route my intake a little bit to see if I can get some more, maybe a little bit of compression and a little bit more power. Hopefully, right? 1.6. So I'm just trying to squeeze out as much as I can. So before I put some turbos on it. Anyways, let's go through this and see if we can do it together. So today, I went and bought this extension, this little tube here. It's really cheap, a couple bucks. And then I also printed this, 3D printed this right here, a little, I don't know, tube, I guess, so that I can put it right here. I've already drilled the holes here, so I can put this right in there. I just recently finished this hole here, so I can screw this in to keep it in place. So we'll just do that, and we'll see how much cold air we can get, and maybe a little bit of bump on the power, maybe. We'll see. Alrighty? Okay. So we're just gonna screw this in. Okay, so we just screw this in. I think it'll keep it in place. And the main reason why I'm doing this is because the original intake basically just ended up right here, pulling in all of the nice and hot air into it. So hopefully by rerouting it this way, it'll take in the colder air and maybe give us a little bump in power. Maybe. All right, we'll try it out.